everyone, my name is Jan Eric Itagasa and today I will share my vision of a good life and how music represents my journeys towards a human flourishing. For me, human flourishing means growing as a person, finding the happiness, also sharing the love and kindness with others. First songs I chose is Stronger by Kelly Clarkson. I chose this song because it talks about becoming stronger after facing a problem. In life, we all experience the pain, failure, and challenges. But these things should not break us. Instead of they make us stronger. For me, flourishing is about the learning from every challenge and become a better person each time each time. And the second song is Count on Me by Bruno Mars. This song is about the friendship and support. It reminds me that I am not alone in my journey. My family and friends are very important in my life. They give me love and encourage human flourishing. For me, it's not just about the success or personal goals. It is also about the building the strong relationship and caring for one another. For the third song I chose is Hall of Fame by the uh, script Well I Am. This song is inspire me to dream big and work hard for my goals. It tells me that I can achieve the great things if I believe in myself. For me, flourishing means reaching my dreams using my talent and also being inspiration to others. For my reflection on a good life. For me, a good life is not only about money or material things. A good life is a balanced, meaningful, and full of love. Like career, I want a job that give me a purpose and also helps others peoples. Two is relationship. My family and friends give me strength and happiness. So I want to keep this strong. Third, health. Health, a good life needs balance. I take care of my body and mind. Fourth is spiritual life. My faith, my faith and gratitude guide me and give me a peace. For the guiding question, first question, what step are you currently taking to live a good life? For me, right now I am working hard in my study because I know education is the key to my future career. Also, I try to build a good relationship with my family and friends by spending time with them and helping them. I take care of my health by eating well, resting, and trying to avoid the stress. And lastly, I pray and reflect so that I can have peace and guidance in my life. The second question is how do you prioritize happiness, security, personal growth, or helping others? Um, for me, I trying to balance these things. Happiness is important, and I find happiness in simple things, like talking with my family, listening to music, or enjoying my nature. Security is also important, so I focus on my education and future career to have a stable life. Uh, Personal growth is a something value, so I keep learning every day to improve myself. And I also believe that helping others is a part of a good life. When I share kindness, I feel a joy and I believe it's make my life is more meaningful. For the last is for me, a good life is not just about myself. It's it is about the balance, having dreams, good health, a strong relationship, and faith. It is also about the helping others and sharing the love. Just like like life, life has rhythm and harmony. When we live with purpose, we can truly flourish. And yun lang po. Thank you so much for the listening.